ZebraX technology is committed to continuously develop our algorithm to provide more points of view to our clients regarding their assets. This time, we have developed failure type classification algorithm using machine learning, which helps clients to understand which type of failure that most likely to happen to each of their assets. The added benefits of the failure type feature are: we can prepare parts inventory accordingly. We can manage how assets are operated to avoid such failure type. And we also can reduce costs invested in inventory. ZebraX technology always updates the feature of our solutions to provide the best services for our customers on their way to the digital transformation journey. Leave us a message and start your digital transformation journey now.